Hey guys, welcome back to True Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your inbox layout in Gmail. So once you're inside your Gmail, guys, click the gear in the upper right hand side. This is the settings, and here you have the fun stuff. Here you can go ahead and you can change the density. So this is going to show you how you want to have your emails layout. So here it's currently set to default, but you can change that to comfort, or you can even change that to compact, right? So choose whichever one. So here is the compact, shows you quite a lot of email cluster, while a comfort should gives you a little bit more space, and the default is just default, right? Now let's work with comfortable for now. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you also have themes that you can play around with. And if you click on that, you have quite a few themes that you can really select from. So maybe I want to go ahead and I want to use the blue one. So I can click on that, click and save, or I want to use a light one, soft gray, I can do that as well. Or even black, put it in dark mode. It's really up to you, right? Let's go ahead and put it back to the default for now and click save. Now if I go back to the gear there in the upper right hand side, you can see that there's additional ones that you can play around with. So the inbox type gives you some really interesting stuff. You can go ahead and you can choose the import first, or you can go ahead and choose unread first. It's really up to you. So let's say I want unread first, it will put all my unread mails at the top. Or I want my start, you will go ahead and you'll see those. The priority emails, you will also see those as well. This is actually a good way how to do things. You can also go ahead and use multiple inbox view if you want to go ahead and use that as well. It's really up to you. So you have a lot of different options here that you can go ahead and you can customize your inbox. If you scroll on as well, you have a reading pane. So this can allow you to put no split, or you can put a split with to the right of the inbox, and you can see that as there, or you can put it below as well. There's quite a lot you can do with this. So go ahead and find something that works for you, and you can easily go ahead and customize your inbox to your liking. It's very easy and very simple, guys. That's how to go ahead and change your inbox layout in your Gmail. Very easy and very simple.